Welcome back to Mates TV News. Our top story today is, of course, Battle of the Classes. We sent out rookie reporter Ty Nelson to get a first-hand look at what's going on. Let's go to him now.
Well, today we're at the Battle of the Classes 2025, and I'm just going to tell you how it is. Seniors are dominating. The seniors are just better than everybody else. That's obvious. What event have you participated in? I was a pin guarder at pin guard. How'd it go for you? It went wonderfully. We're doing absolutely well. Good to see. Do you think it was fair, sportsmanlike? Absolutely. Do you think the seniors are the best team ever? Absolutely. That's what I like to see. KJ, Uncle Sam, what were you a part of today? Volleyball and pin guard. How'd it go? We won, baby. That's right. Of course we did. That's right.
Here at Mates TV News, we pride ourselves on unbiased media. Now, what's that? Okay, I'm receiving word he has joined the seniors in tug of war. Okay, let's go to commercial.
I'm Steve.
Okay, surely everything's all wrapped up by now. Let's go see how the seniors did. What's that? Ty's wallowing in sorrow. So the sophomores won. Okay. Let's go back to commercial.
Who's that senior?
Okay, I played the French horn for 5 years. I drive a stick shift, and my favorite seafood is clams on the half shell.
It's Zoe Smith.
Freeze! We're a part of the IRS and you're under arrest for not doing your taxes.
But how do I do taxes?
Step 1. Get a W-2 or 1099 form. Step 2. Choose a filing method. You can meet with a tax professional, use a tax software, or even file out your taxes by hand. Step 3. Submit. See how easy that was?
Asian American and Pacific Islander Heritage Month is celebrated every May to honor the history, culture, and achievements of Asians and Pacific Islanders in the United States. It began as a week-long celebration in 1978 and expanded to a month in 1992. AAPI communities represent over 50 ethnic groups and speak more than 100 languages, making them one of the most diverse groups in the US. This month is a time to learn, reflect, and celebrate their impact on American society.
欢迎来到亚裔美国人和太平洋海岛民传统乐。
This episode was originally going to be red, white, and blue eclairs, but yeah, we're making salmon instead. For our sauce, we're going to toss minced parsley and shallots in a pot with white wine and simmer it until the pot's nearly dry.
Now lower the heat and in goes our heavy cream. Then 1 tablespoon at a time, we're gonna just add an entire stick of butter. Look, I know it sounds like a lot, but God, just trust the process. Nah, I repeat, do not strain the sauce. The recipe says strain and leave on low heat until ready to serve. And look at what happened to my beautiful and decadent sauce. It's all gone. Why? Anyway, for the salmon itself, go for salt and pepper on each side and sear it top side down until it's a nice golden brown or bronze color. Then you're gonna flip it and finish it in the oven for about 6 to 8 minutes, depending on how thick it is. Now just plate it up with some lemon and your side and enjoy. Rest in peace sauce number 1, but hey, things don't always have to go as planned to end up all good in the end.
On April 22nd, Earth Day, a massive wildfire broke out right here in Lacey near Jones Road. I live nearby and the smoke was everywhere, and I almost had to evacuate, but we're fine now. Roads were shut down, people were evacuated, and ash was everywhere, smoke was in the sky. But, ironically, it was Earth Day, which is all about protecting our planet. We celebrate it every April 22nd, and it began specifically in 1970 and was started by Senator Gaylord Nelson. The whole goal of it was to raise awareness about pollution and the environment and make it go countrywide. This year's fire reminds us of just how important that mission still is.